Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features, where we take a quick look at just some of the new features and enhancements our team brought to yours over the last month. We're excited to release our brand new video reviewing experience. Enjoy clear markup positioning along the timeline, easy spanning over time, a choice between basic time or SEMPty timecode, jump to time, and of course frame by frame and skip forward and back controls, and so much more. Following on from the refreshed look and new functionality for workflow templates, the proof workflow seen inside the Proof's info pane has had this special treatment too. Easily see reviewer details with the new hover card, when reviewer decisions are made, and when workflow steps are completed. When multiple mandatory or gatekeepers are within a step, enjoy setting a custom number of decisions that are required before the proof will automatically move on. Even set an anticipated number if you're expecting additional reviewers to be invited into the workflow step. Our recent PageProof Academy deep dives into workflows and is now available on demand. You'll find the link to this latest academy in the video description below. For designers working in Adobe Photoshop, the PageProof plugin lets you easily reply to comments, even add private replies if your plan has this feature enabled. This month, we've released our brand new PageProof plugin for Adobe InDesign. Of course, creating a proof is a breeze, and a clear, concise to-do list is seen along with markup layered directly over the artwork. Replace text in a click. Download comment attachments, or even better, place these attachments directly into the artwork. This brand new plugin is available in the Adobe App Marketplace and is a must-have for designers looking to save huge time and effort. The PageProof integration for Asana has been enhanced to offer a choice of setup screen when creating new proofs. Within Asana itself for quick, simple proof creation, or in PageProof, which offers flexibility for a more advanced proof setup. Our next PageProof Academy deep dives into all areas of this integration, including creating proofs, customizing the setup of the integration, using Asana rules to automate PageProof actions, and automating uploading the final approved file to the Asana task. Make sure you're registered to attend. To stay updated with what's new in PageProof, subscribe to our channel or follow us on LinkedIn. PageProof, making feedback welcome.